Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. As you guys can see here, we have a gift from CustomPuddleLights.com. You guys are really gonna like this one. We have one for this truck, which will be out by the time you guys get this video. So this is the 2026 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate. We have obviously puddle lights for this one, as well as puddle lights for the AT4. So stay tuned for that. If we get into a little bit of an unboxing, guys, big shout out to Custom Puddle Lights before we do the unboxing. Really sweet custom lights. They can give you kind of any design you want there, as well as a plethora of design options that they have on their website. So check them out. If you guys do enjoy this product, I think it's a phenomenal product. And guys, the quality is just second to none here. So jumping right into it. Lost the black foam in there, but that's okay. Opening the box here, we have obviously some instructions, as well as a QR code there to scan if you have trouble installing the lights. We have your little pry tool here, put that in the box, and then obviously the puddle lights themselves. So guys, we'll show you the install. Super quick, super easy install with these puddle lights, and they make a massive difference. We'll also show you what they look like at night, obviously. So stay tuned for that, and we'll jump right into the install. Okay guys, so step 2 here, use the pry tool that I just showed you that comes in the box. You'll pry down this clip here. That clip obviously just clips in underneath here, just like that. In this area, you're gonna be using your pry tool, just stick it in and then pry it out, super easy. And then this is the new puddle light that obviously comes with it. You're gonna have a right and a left, so depending on which side you're on, choose accordingly. And these mounts are affixed into this puddle light, whereas these guys are not. So what you're gonna do is, at least these ones have a longer cord, so you can play with that a little bit, but you're gonna line up this clip is the main thing. Line up this clip with that clip, and then that will determine which side goes into where. So just line the clips up and then you'll be okay. You're also going to pry out this white piece with the pry tool that you got. It is kind of hard to show that while filming, but you're gonna pry that out, and then this one's gonna go right into here, lining up the clips, and then these two are gonna go into that white box, and you're just gonna push it right up in it. So we'll show you the next step. Okay, so step 3, after prying this white part off with the pry tool, the left side here, obviously we have our clip there, match it up to the underside here. The left side is gonna go in vertically, and the right clip is gonna be in horizontally, and you're just gonna push it in until basically the black part kind of meets the square box on the white. Once it's like that, that's it. That's really it, guys. Like, that's all you're gonna do. And I'll show you here I will unlock the truck and show you guys that it works. So obviously you guys can see the light is on there, hopefully. But we'll show you what it looks like on the ground. Obviously you can't see it in the daylight, but you can see it is working. So we're just gonna basically feed the wires back up, clip it in. Once it's clipped in, we'll show you guys the view at night and obviously what it looks like just flat. But you guys just push it right back up, and then you'll see it'll just clip in. Okay, so as soon as you guys do that, you will be good, and we'll show you obviously what it looks like on the ground at night. So stay tuned. Okay guys, back at night, we have the Denali Ultimate beside the AT4. We have the puddle lights installed like we show you in the day clips. Now we'll show you what it looks like at night. So I'll unlock the Denali Ultimate first. And there it is, guys. Super crisp, super clear, and actually huge. It's a huge logo. But guys, it looks phenomenal. Super bright, really wide, and crystal clear. You guys can get a few different logos. It doesn't have to be this one, but there is a few different logos on their website for the projection. So check them out. They do also do custom logos, so if you did want something custom, they can draw you up a custom logo and send it over to you just to your liking. So guys, that's Denali Ultimate. Obviously looks super crisp, coming straight down from the mirror there. Guys, it looks phenomenal. I'll give you a bit of a backed up view, but looks really, really good. So there you have it. There's the Ultimate.